going to discuss our first topic, which is a simply SQL statement. Now, what does the SQL statement do? Statement actually extracts the information from the table, which is actually residing in our database. So, in order to get that information from that database, we use SQL select command. So, what is the general syntax of the select statement? I am just writing it down here. Right? So I have various tables residing in my database here, which I have actually named as sample database. So there are lots of information over there. So I'm just taking one table from this database in order to get the information. So I am choosing human resource dot employee table. So when I will execute this statement, I will get the information from that table. Right now you see that SQL Server has executed this query, and you can see the information coming from that table of that database, which is human resources dot employee. You can see that there are multiple columns: business entity ID, national ID number, login ID, and various other columns in this table. So if I really would like to have like all the table column names from this table, I can use star in order to get all the information from the particular table. I can use it, and SQL Server will allow me. But if I will have to use only one table, I need to use like only 2 or 3 columns. Let us suppose that I need national cut take 2. Okay guys, if I need to have like cut take 3. Okay guys, now if I would like to have like cut take 4. Okay guys, now if I want to have multiple columns, but I don't want all columns in my select query, I can also do that. By multiple columns mean I need more than one column in my select list, but I don't need all the columns which are presented here in this table. Right now I am choosing like national ID number column, login ID, and job title to seek the information. So in order to do that, I will just simply write down the column names here, and I will get that information. See, right now from this table I can actually get 3 columns from this table. There are multiple variants. Multiple variants. Cut take 5. In SQL statement, we can actually do a lot of things. For example, we can provide aliases. Like I can provide an alias to human resource dot employee table. I can alias this table as HRE, which is the acronym of human resources HR and employee E. Same goes with the column names. We can actually give aliases to the column names in this format. There are multiple ways to write the column alias. One way is to write like column name, and after that we can actually utilize as a keyword, and after that we can provide the column alias. For example, I am just writing down here national number with space. for login ID, I can actually write like login. And for job title, I can utilize job. So see, we can actually give aliases to different column names as well as to the table name of the table. So guys, this is my so guys, here it is my cut take 6 take 7. So guys, this is a SQL tip for today, and tomorrow I will also give you another tip on this vlog. Thank you.